This creamy mixed berry protein cheesecake overnight oats packs 37 grams of protein, tastes like dessert, and takes just less than 5 minutes to prepare. Start with a blender or food processor. You can also use a large bowl and an immersion blender. Add 1 cup of cottage cheese. I'm using 4% milk fat here, but reduced fat also works for this recipe. Add 1 cup of mixed berries. Fresh or frozen works. Add 1/4 cup of milk. Add 1.5 tablespoons of honey. You can also use another sweetener if you prefer. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally, add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Place the lid on your blender or food processor jar, power on your device, and then blend it together until you have a smooth and creamy mixture. It should take about a minute or so, depending on how powerful your device is. Once you're done blending, you can either add these next ingredients into the blender jar like I am, or transfer your mixture into a bowl. Add 1 cup of rolled oats, and add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Chia seeds also work great here as well. Fold these into your mixture until everything is mixed together. Take out a 16-ounce mason jar or bowl which you'll eat your overnight oats from. Transfer the mixture into a mason jar or bowl. Seal it up and pop it in the fridge for about 4 to 6 hours, preferably overnight. When you're ready to eat your overnight oats, remove it from the fridge and add any extra toppings that you want. I'm going with some whipped cream, extra flaxseed, and mixed berries. Then it's time to dig in and enjoy this cheesecake flavored breakfast that keeps you full all morning long. This recipe makes 2 servings or 1 large serving if you're really hungry. Store them for up to 4 days in the fridge. You can also make several of these and meal prep them ahead of time if you'd like. Swap the flaxseed for chia seeds if you prefer an even thicker texture, or use Greek yogurt instead of cottage cheese for a tangier bite. If you liked the video, be sure to check out my other high protein breakfast recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.